Today I'm going to demonstrate how you can leverage IntelliMagic Vision to identify performance issues and drill down to the root cause for issues in your z/OS coupling facility configuration. This case involves real customer data, and any findings and recommendations are based on actual findings and recommendations. A coupling facility is a piece of hardware that enables processors to communicate. The coupling facility is designed to be much faster for data access than going to physical storage. Sometimes, a coupling facility runs so well that performance analysts do not regularly monitor and report on the performance of the underlying structures. This video will show you that individual structure performance is important to the workload using the structure as well as the overall system. In this view, you see one of the IntelliMagic Vision coupling facility dashboards. This particular dashboard usually has many more coupling facility structures, but I customized it down to 3 for a better illustration. The column that I will focus on in this video is the second column, sync service time. When we loaded the RMF data for this customer, we noticed that several structures had red and yellow warnings for sync service time and async service time. You can see one of those poor performing structures in this dashboard view labeled SGPTZBH. The customer was not aware that there was a performance problem for any of the structures, but as we saw, many structures were getting worse than 20 microseconds, which was the initial threshold set by IntelliMagic Vision. With a single click, we could look at all of the reports behind the bubbles in that dashboard chart for structure SGPTZBH. We determined that focusing on the cause of the sync service time was the focus for this structure. This chart showed that the structure's synchronous service time was very high for all of the time period. To make a very long story short, investigation led to the fact that coupling facilities were being shared, which was causing the high service times. A dynamic change was implemented to the coupling facility to use the parameter dynDisp equals thin, which had dramatic results. After the change, the dashboard dramatically changed. As you can see in this after dashboard, structure SGPTZBH had all green indicators. You can see the difference in the reports behind the bubbles. The service times changed significantly to now under 20 microseconds. This report shows the dramatic change. IntelliMagic Vision helps you easily show before and after comparisons. Besides the obvious result of the structure getting better service times, the real CPU cycles spent waiting on the synchronous service requests dropped dramatically as well. This will allow the customer to delay an expensive CPU upgrade. In this short video, we demonstrated how IntelliMagic Vision leverages knowledge about the coupling facility to determine how the structures are performing and how the software can alert you to underlying problems that you may not even know exist. Doing more for less money is the goal of every business, and this case clearly shows how IntelliMagic Vision helped to do that. For more information, please email us at info@intellimagic.com.